This week's viewer's question comes from Elizabeth, who's from Pietermaritzburg, and she says she's having a really, really dreadful time with her strawberry plants. And of course, it's strawberry season. She says every time she goes to pick them, well, it seems like they're kind of like mushy and there are holes in them, and well, she kind of loses out. So somebody or something is getting in before she does. And this is a very common problem with strawberry plants. Number one, if you let the fruit sit directly onto the soil, you very often find that they will rot. So, Elizabeth, what I suggest is that you put some straw down or some mulch so that your little fruit can actually rest on that. The other thing, of course, that it could be is some friendly little garden nunus in your garden, and it probably is snails. With summer here, snails are out and they absolutely devour strawberries. So make sure you put down a bit of snail bait or put down a saucer of beer, and well, you know what happens from there. The snails die very, very happy. So, Elizabeth, I hope that helps you, and I hope that you will once again have delicious, juicy and sweet strawberries to eat.